Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the answer for the clue number 10 in Steam Summer Sale 2022. So in order to find it, let's click on Go Find It button. Now let's scroll down and we'll need to look on each of the tab right here. So first one is card and board, let's try it. And we'll be looking for the game called Hold In Your Farts. So we haven't managed to find it, but there's fix for that also. Let's try tower defense games and scroll down, find the co-op now. Here's our co-op. Now let's move to the right and try finding this game. If not, let's just look on each of these tabs. Here it is, let's press on it, and here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.